So I can make different sounds on my keyboard. It's not just piano. And it's really cool how different Tomcat Disposables can sound. So here's an example. Here's there's a guitar sound that I think is the most accurate to the song, so I'm going to play that first. So here it is. But also, like, there's another one. This is a violin sound, and it sounds so good, and I don't know, like, it's really pretty, and that's, you can listen to it, and it'll, make sense once you do that. Wow, okay, I guess another one would be just regular piano, so. So, yeah, that's really all I wanted to share with you. I guess Tomcat Disposables is a pretty universal song. It can go with really any instrument, really.